The police are now probing the circumstances under which a man was shot and killed at his home in Kingston on Wednesday, June 5. Dead is 23-year-old Tushawn Walker, otherwise called TJ, of Barbican Road. Reports are that about 3:20 p.m. Walker was standing at his gateway when he was approached by an armed man. It is reported that the man opened gunfire at Walker, hitting him to the upper body and back before he fled. Walker was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. The man who allegedly attacked a police constable with a machete during a confrontation in Hyattsfield, St. Ann Thursday morning has succumbed to his injuries. The deceased has been identified as 51-year-old construction worker Herbert Hines of Hyattsfield. According to the lawmen, about 9 a.m., the constable was among a team of officers who responded to a report of a domestic dispute involving Hines. Upon seeing the police, Hines ran and the police gave chase. Further reports are that Hines then attacked and chopped the constable. In response, the constable opened gunfire, hitting Hines. Both Hines and the wounded constable was taken to hospital where Hines was pronounced dead, and the cop was admitted in serious but stable condition. Meanwhile, Commander for the St. Ann Police Division, Superintendent Dwight Powell, has called on citizens not to attack the police. "I would want to say, especially to our citizens, not to attack our police because we would rather not have confrontation, and so again this incident happened and we are giving the constable the support. We really regret the loss of life, but it is the nature of what we do in law enforcement," he said. Police from Kingston Central say several charges have been laid against a taxi operator who led law enforcers on a high-speed chase in the sections of downtown Kingston on Wednesday. The incident, which started on Ocean Boulevard, caused traffic to pile up for several minutes as the police team tried to apprehend the driver, who, when finally concerned, exited the vehicle and attempted to run. Acting Commanding Officer for Kingston Central Police, Deputy Superintendent Hugh Carl Francis, spoke to Loop News about the incident and said what took place in downtown Kingston is something that police are now seeing on a regular basis. The driver has been apprehended and several charges laid against him, said the senior officer. The police at the time did not disclose the details of the charge or the name of the man.